Here's another one of these coffee makers that doesn't work. Put the water in. Anyway, it's in there. Put the coffee in. Press the brew button. Nothing happens. Press the power button. Power comes on. Press the brew button. Nothing happens. Fortunately, I brought my own coffee with me. I've got my soldering iron I cleaned up to heat the water. I'm going to use hot water to begin with. Then I'm going to put that in there in the cup, let it warm up. And when I'm through, I brought a rock. Put that soldering iron on top of the rock so I do not ruin the countertop and get charged for it. Now I'm going to take my soldering iron, grab it with a towel, make sure I don't short circuit, put it in the water. I can hear it. Brought this flat rock, put it down, I unplugged it, put it down on this flat rock, let it cool off. And my coffee. There is breakfast with hot coffee overlooking Mississippi from the 32nd floor.